Hello, I hope I found a solution for everybody to get on their assignments. If the links are not working, I just got done with a meeting with IT. They say you need to go to your dashboard, and let's say you're in Language Arts Block 2. Like, these are all my classes. Hopefully this picture shows up in your Block 2 and you can click on that, and that will bring you to the assignments. It'll look like something like this. I'll click on it real quick, and then hopefully it pops up. You'll have a message that looks like this, and then it will say you may view your lessons and assignments here. You can click that button and all the assignments pop up. If you're in one of the other courses, let's say you want to get to your science, you can click on the science tab, and once you click on the science, your lessons will pop up here. Hopefully that works. I'm working on the links. IT's working on it right now, so hopefully as we get moving through the week, they'll have it fixed so that when you're in my homeroom, which is right there, that what will happen is you can then click on the links down here. I think the social studies and the science are already working because they told me that they had fixed those, but none of the language arts and the health are not working right now. But hopefully by the end of the day or by tomorrow we'll have those up and running. So if you have any questions today, make sure you email me, stay in contact. I'm busy calling people who were not at the meeting this morning to make sure that they can get onto Zoom. I will talk to all of you tomorrow morning and hopefully you have some questions. Have a good day.